Good day, I'm Todd Acker. I'm the lab director for Ackuritlabs, and today I want to talk to you about sampling your water for lead. Drinking water, typically the lead does not come from the groundwater, it's leached from the piping system that supplies water to your home. So we want to check the water for lead. The EPA's got fairly strict protocols for sampling for lead. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the water has been stagnant for at least 6 hours prior to sampling. We also want to collect a quart or liter of water at a time. So what we want to do, we call this a first draw, meaning first thing in the morning, like first thing when you get up, this spigot's been stagnant for 6 hours overnight. You want to come to this spigot. You don't want to flush it first. You just want to turn it on. Fill this container up completely full for us. And we're almost there. Alright, and that is your sample for lead. This is a first draw, quart of water, and you drop it off here at the lab. Usually takes us about 3 to 4 business days to get your results. Thank you for watching.